Welcome back my channel. Just relax. You're here now, and I'm going to take care of you. Very gently, very slowly. Let's begin your deep ear cleaning session. You're safe, you're comfortable, you're ready. Let all your stress melt away. Gentle brushing sound imitation. Shish, shish, swoosh. We'll start with the outer ear. Can you feel that? A soft, warm cotton pad, brushing along the edge of your ear. Wiping away any dust, any tension. There we go, just like that. Nice and smooth, soft and circular. I'm taking my time. Every motion is slow, soothing, intentional. Pause, whisper slower. Now, let's move in a little closer. Yes, right there. I can already see a little wax buildup inside. But don't worry, we'll get it all out, clean and fresh. Tapping sound imitation. Tap, tap, tap. I'm using a precision ear pick now. Metal, cold, but I've warmed it with my hands. Feel it gliding in gently. No pain, just deep relaxation. Scrape, scrape, scrape. That's it. I'm scraping away the wax. Layer by layer, from the deepest corners of your ear canal. It's coming out in strands. Long, sticky strands of earwax. Can you hear that? Sticky sound imitation. Squish, squish. You're doing great. Just keep breathing slowly. Let me work my magic. Changed a wet cleaning tool. Now I'm switching to a wet cleaning stick. Dampened with a special herbal oil. It smells like mint. Feels cool, calming, and very fresh. Dip, swirl, swipe. This oil melts the hardened wax. It helps loosen it up, so I can extract it completely. You won't believe what I'm seeing. There's so much more than you thought. It's hidden deep inside, but don't worry, I've got it all under control. Focus on right ear. Let's work on your right ear now. It looks a bit more sensitive, so I'll be extra gentle. I'm using my softest brush. Feather light strokes. WHSSSH, WHSSSH, swish HH. Can you feel the tingles running down your spine? That's the feeling of pure comfort, pure relief. I'm reaching deeper now,